The P0343 code indicates that the engine control module has detected an abnormally high voltage signal from the camshaft position sensor on bank 1. This sensor monitors the camshaft's position relative to the crankshaft, which is crucial for proper ignition timing in the engine. A high circuit fault typically means there's a short to battery voltage, causing the signal to exceed 5 volts. Ignoring this code can lead to serious engine problems, including rough idling, misfires, stalling, or complete engine failure. It can also cause damage to the catalytic converter due to incorrect ignition timing. Symptoms of a P0343 code include several noticeable issues with your vehicle's engine performance. One key symptom is a rough idle, where the engine runs unevenly when stopped. You may notice noticeable engine misfires, which are sudden pauses in engine power. Frequent stalling can occur, where the engine stops unexpectedly. Difficulty starting the engine, or the engine not starting at all, is another common symptom. You might experience reduced fuel efficiency, sometimes by as much as 15 to 20% due to inefficient timing. The check engine light will be illuminated on your dashboard. An OBD2 scanner will confirm the P0343 code, possibly alongside P0340 or P0341. Begin by visually inspecting the camshaft position sensor wiring and connector on bank 1. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or oil contamination. Ensure the connector is securely attached. Use an OBD2 scanner to read the P0343 code and clear it to see if it returns. Perform a wiggle test on the wiring harness while the engine is running to check for intermittent shorts. Disconnect the battery during these checks to prevent electrical issues. If the wiring checks out intact, the camshaft position sensor itself is likely faulty, accounting for about 30% of P0343 cases. Replace the sensor with a new OEM quality unit to ensure reliability and compatibility. For replacement, select an OEM quality camshaft position sensor. Ensure it's correctly installed in the engine and that the electrical connector is properly secured to prevent loose connections. After replacement, clear the P0343 diagnostic trouble code using an OBD2 scanner. Then monitor the vehicle to confirm the code doesn't return, indicating a successful fix. In hybrid models, interference from aftermarket EV charging systems can cause false P0343 triggers. Check for firmware. If the problem persists, consult a professional mechanic with hybrid diagnostic experience. Consider the possibility of integrated diagnostics interacting with electric motor sensors. Regularly inspect your vehicle's wiring harnesses and sensors for signs of damage, corrosion, or wear. This includes checking connectors and harnesses to prevent electrical issues that could lead to codes like P0343. Address oil leaks immediately to prevent contamination of the camshaft position sensor. Oil can cause sensor failures and trigger P0343 codes, leading to poor engine performance. As the automotive industry shifts towards electrification, traditional P0343 issues in internal combustion engines will likely decrease in prevalence. However, similar sensor-related problems may emerge in electric vehicle systems. Stay informed about emerging AI-driven diagnostic tools that can provide faster and more accurate problem-solving through predictive maintenance and automated analysis.